burgers and shakes. You bet you can have them on your weight loss plan, and I'd love to show you how.
Hi, it's Shannon Diautry, and this is Clean Eating the Red Mountain Way.
Boy, couldn't you go for a juicy burger with the works and a thick, creamy shake? Well, Red Mountain Weight Loss says you can. Just use the right ingredients. Lean ground turkey, a sweet yellow onion, tomato slices, lettuce, and of course, a secret sauce. And for the shake, Red Mountain thick and creamy protein shake powder, ice water, and peppermint stevia. Let's start with caramelizing the onions for the burger. Slice the onion in rounds and add them to a skillet with a little water. As the onions cook, add more water, a little at a time, until the onions soften and eventually get that beautiful golden brown color. Yes, you can caramelize onions with just water. Set the onions aside and start on the burger. Just make a patty with 3½ ounces of lean ground turkey seasoned with a little salt and pepper. Add it to the skillet with some 0-calorie cooking spray. Since the ground turkey is so lean, I add a little water to the pan so it doesn't stick. Cook the burger until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. And while that's cooking, let's make the sauce. I'm starting with a ½ cup of Walden Farms Chipotle calorie-free ranch dressing, 1 teaspoon of mustard, a teaspoon of dill pickle relish, a teaspoon of red wine vinegar, and 1/4 teaspoon each of cumin, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. Give it a whisk, and it's time to build the burger. First the lettuce, then the turkey burger. Next, pour your special sauce over the top, and then add those delicious sweet caramelized onions. A few tomato slices on the side, and I promise you'll never even miss the bread. But you gotta have a shake, so grab your blender and a glass of ice water, then add 2 level scoops of Red Mountain rich chocolate protein powder and a few drops of peppermint stevia. It's burger and shake day in the Red Mountain Clean Eating Kitchen, where you don't have to give up your favorites to get rid of the weight. For great products and more recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain Way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.